Hi everyone, thanks for taking the time to watch the second video in our EB-1C visa series, which is on the qualifications of the employee to be transferred from the foreign company to the company in the United States. Again, my name is Dan Nast. I'm an immigration attorney with Orlando Visa Lawyer, which is an immigration law firm located in Orlando, Florida that provides services across the entire United States. Like I said, today we are going to discuss the EB-1C visa and some of the requirements that the employee themselves has to meet in order to qualify for this visa. Just a quick recap, the EB-1C visa is a way for a foreign company to transfer an executive or a higher level manager to a company they own or that is owned similarly in the United States. As stated last time, we went over some of the company qualifications. There needs to be a relationship between the two companies, and be sure to check out our video on that. Why is it an attractive option? Why do a lot of people want this kind of visa? Why is it sought after? Well, it's an immigrant visa, so it leads to a green card, and in addition to that, it doesn't require the labor certification process. So you don't have to go through this long process with the Department of Labor in order to get this visa. Just need the job offer, right? So executives and higher level managers, what are some of the qualifications that person would have to meet in order to qualify for an EB-1C visa? Well, first off, that person has to be employed at least 1 year within the last 3 with the foreign company. So remember, there has to be a relationship between the foreign company and the company in the United States. The person has to have been employed in that capacity with that company, that foreign company, 1 year in the last 3. So like if the vice president, let's say, has been a vice president of that foreign company 1 year in the last 3, that'd be qualifying employment, or could be qualifying employment. Another factor or thing to consider is the job offer. The United States company actually has to make a job offer for this person because they have to petition for the visa. The company actually petitions for the employee to come over to the United States. Another factor, very big one, are the job duties. What is this person actually doing? What is this person doing in the foreign country? And what is this person going to do in the United States? If it's a vice president, better be doing vice president duties. If it's a high-level manager, better be supervising professionals or managing a certain aspect, a major aspect of the corporation, right? Not just a manager that oversees a couple of secretarial positions, but someone who's a high-level manager, someone who, does a lot for the company. Job duties are huge. What is the person actually doing? What are some examples of those who might qualify for an EB-1C visa? Like I stated earlier, a president of the company, of course, if they're a vice president, and their duties are directing things, and duties are directing, making decisions, big decisions with minimal oversight. If they are supervised by someone else, just general supervision, they're able to call shots, make executive decisions on things. All very important things to consider when determining whether or not an employee can be transferred from the foreign company to the U.S. on an EB-1C visa. So there's lots of qualifications involved, lots of criteria that must be met to qualify for this visa. So if you're thinking of petitioning for one of your employees to transfer them to the United States, be sure to consult with an immigration attorney first. At Orlando Visa Lawyer, we handle EB-1C applications all the time. Feel free to contact us, call us, email us, contact us through WhatsApp. The information is all on the screen. Thanks everyone for watching.